If you're looking to gain the benefits of a second life from your machine, but without the cost of new, HOLT CAT has two strong options to meet your needs. Both the CAT Certified and HOLT Custom Rebuild programs are extensive processes that can bring your machine back to its original productivity and look. Whether a CAT Certified or a HOLT Custom Rebuild, the program begins with a complete machine inspection and condition appraisal by a HOLT representative in the field. This vital first step is a thorough process during which HOLT develops a customized rebuild plan and cost estimate. The specific needs of your machine are determined through a comprehensive evaluation, which includes fluid analysis, careful visual inspections, and a review of past maintenance and scheduled oil sampling records. Once the rebuild plan is established, your machine will be completely disassembled down to the frame. With a CAT Certified Rebuild, all hoses, belts, seals, gaskets, bearings, knobs, wiring, switches, and gauges will be replaced with new parts. Remaining parts will be inspected and measured against our strict reusability guidelines. Those that do not meet our high standards will either be replaced with new or CAT Reman parts, or reconditioned to meet guideline specifications. Updated components are included with the CAT Certified program, but optional with the HOLT program. Certified rebuilds include automatic replacement of approximately 7,000 parts. This phase of the process addresses equipment needs not typically included in an overhaul. For example, frames are examined and if necessary they are straightened, welded, and reinforced. Worn linkage pins and shaft bearings are replaced. Hydraulic systems are returned to their original levels of performance and reliability. Even electronic control modules and software are replaced. With a CAT Certified Rebuild, critical engineering updates and improvements that have been made to your machine model since original manufacturing will be incorporated into your machine during reassembly. The updates are optional for the HOLT Custom Rebuild, allowing you to keep the same technology your operators are accustomed to. Both CAT Certified and HOLT Rebuild programs include disassembly, inspection, and reconditioning of the engine, fuel system, transmission, torque converter, differential, final drives, and radiator. The CAT Certified Rebuild includes updated new or qualified parts. Before reinstallation, each component is thoroughly bench tested, including the use of state-of-the-art engine and transmission dynamometers. All critical torques, clearances, and pressure settings will be maintained and recorded during careful reassembly of your machine by our professional technicians. A CAT Certified Rebuild includes replacement of all engine wiring harnesses and other wiring. These are optional but recommended on a HOLT Custom Rebuild. Quality control is integral to all rebuild programs. Therefore, rigorous testing is conducted at several stages. Among the tests routinely performed are turbocharger boost, throttle response, stall speed RPM, transmission and steering clutch response, and hydraulic and pilot relief valve pressures. Instrument and operational testing are also conducted to ensure field performance levels match those in the shop. Both CAT and HOLT Rebuild programs include over 350 tests and inspections. Your machine will perform like new and look like new after a complete paint job and application of new model identity graphics, which are included in a certified rebuild. Painting is optional on a HOLT Custom Rebuild. Certified rebuilds earn an official CAT decal as well. A distinct advantage of the CAT Certified Rebuild over the HOLT program is the issue of a new serial number or product identification number, which not only identifies your machine, it entitles you to an upgraded warranty. Because it verifies the exceptional Caterpillar rebuild process, it dramatically increases the resale value of your machine. Standard warranty is included in the HOLT Rebuild program, and both programs offer extended warranties. Finally, the rebuild process is not considered complete until your operators are satisfied with the performance of the machine in its working environment. If you are in need of an additional machine but want to avoid the cost of new, your HOLT CAT representative can locate a core or inventory machine for you and rebuild it through one of these programs. Ask your HOLT CAT representative for more information on locating a core machine to meet your needs. The Caterpillar Certified Rebuild and HOLT Rebuild programs can return your machine to their original productivity, durability, and reliability. They're less expensive than buying a new machine, a better choice than a competitive machine, and in better condition than any used machine you could buy. Best of all, they provide the quality and value you expect from Caterpillar. A CAT certified rebuild can be estimated at about 50 to 60% of the cost of a new machine. A HOLT custom rebuild can cost less than or more than a certified rebuild, depending on the condition of the machine and the customer's requirements. The CAT certified rebuild program provides a fixed price after inspection, while the HOLT rebuild is specifically priced after evaluation of the machine and customer options. When considering a rebuild, HOLT certainly has your downtime in mind. Standard shop time for rebuilds varies between 8 to 10 weeks, and HOLT CAT can provide rental equipment while your machine is out of service, so your operation never misses a beat. The CAT Certified Rebuild Program is available for a variety of track-type tractors and track loaders, wheel loaders and tractors, soil and landfill compactors, motor graders and scrapers, and off-highway trucks and tractors. Check with your HOLT representative as new machine models continue to be added to the program. It's never a good time to experience a catastrophic failure, which can cost 50% more than a planned rebuild. This makes planning for a rebuild an important part of service maintenance. Customer machine environments vary widely, and there is no definitive answer as to when a rebuild should occur. Your HOLT representative will be happy to help you develop a planned maintenance and rebuild program to fit your particular needs. Although there are many guidelines for rebuilds, at the end of the day, each machine must be analyzed on its own merits and your needs as a HOLT CAT customer. A general timeline for entering machines into a rebuild program might be as follows: 15,000 hours for the first powertrain rebuild, 30,000 hours for a complete machine rebuild, 45,000 hours for the second powertrain rebuild, 60,000 hours, time to consider buying a new machine. As you can see, following a rebuild schedule can give you 2 complete machine lives for the cost of about 1.5 machines. CAT certified and HOLT rebuild programs, maximizing the built-in value of your machine. Talk to your HOLT CAT representative today about which program is right for you.